Hi guys, Marley here and welcome back to my channel. We are here in my garden right now for our last chance to harvest whatever we have before a deep freeze. We will be having sub-zero temperatures for at least 3 days next week. And today is a Sunday. We're done with all the other tasks except for our garden chores. So we're gonna be harvesting all of the vegetables that we can get from our garden today. And we have a nice surprise. Look at this. In the middle of the beans garden, there is a watermelon. The tindril is already brown and dry. So this watermelon is ready for harvest. That's a pleasant surprise, guys. And then we're gonna be harvesting all of these beans. Like all of these are beans. We're done harvesting the okras. This is my Christmas lima. Some are still green. I intended to dry them and we have dried a few of them. And then over here we have the mung beans that will need to be harvested today. And my daughter is here with me. She's helping me harvest all the good stuff from this garden. Going this way, we have some more beans. Look at that. There are still some green ones which we can harvest. And then let's go this way. Here, some of the green beans survived, so we have some green beans harvest. We just pulled some of the plants right here, so we have green beans. Some of them are dried already, there for planting. The yellow beans are here, not much, but this one is the biggest pile of beans that we have. This is a mix of everything that we have: painted pony, Christmas lima, can't even remember what else, but yeah, we're gonna have to clean this up. We're just in a hurry right now. We're just dropping everything in this tote. We have been harvesting some seeds. This one is Malabar spinach. And here is our final harvest of the okra. We found one white bitter melon, a few red burgundy yard-long beans, and there's supposed to be one green bitter melon. I've started working on harvesting the sweet potatoes. We have some in here and a lot more in the ground that we need to get. And guys, here we are and we are ready to harvest this watermelon. Oops, she's so fast in clipping the watermelon.
Hi. Hello.
This is a small one. This is the orange watermelon. Pretty cool. We need to continue harvesting, and whenever we're done, I'm gonna show you what we got from our garden for our final harvest of the season. My watermelon harvest, guys, and then we have the green beans, and then here we have the beans, okra, and bitter melon. And then look at what I have here in this big tote: Christmas lima beans, painted pony, mung beans, Henderson lima beans, and all kinds of beans, like 10 different kinds of beans right here that we have harvested today. This is almost half of this big tote. This is really an awesome harvest. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you again in my next video. Thank you for watching and happy gardening.